kindergarten books. Thumbelina. Read by the Happy Teacher.
Caw, congratulations.
Thank you. I'm so happy. Swallow, thank you. This is all because of you.
Caw, you're welcome.
How did the swallow help you? Tell us, Thumbelina. Okay, I'll tell you. Listen carefully.
Bzz, Thumbelina, I like you. Marry me.
I can't fly.
Ribbit, ribbit, marry me. I cook well.
Ha ha ha. I can't live in the water. Oh, marry me. I clean well. I can't live in the ground. Come on, choose.
Come on, choose. Bzz, come on, choose.
Okay.
Ribbit, I love Thumbelina.
I love Thumbelina more.
Bzz, I love Thumbelina even more. Caw, I'm so sad.
What's wrong, Swallow?
Caw, I'm so hungry.
Here, have some bread.
Caw, thank you, thank you. Thumbelina, Thumbelina, please marry me.
What should I do?
Caw, hurry up, come with me.
Thank you.
Thumbelina, please marry me.
Wow, what a beautiful story. Will you marry me? Yes, my prince.
Caw, congratulations.
Thank you, everyone.